I'm sure you've heard the news. Coffee is life. But are you making it right? Let's find out. Alright folks, let's dive into the common coffee maker mistakes you're probably making. Mistake number 1. Using. Yeah, your coffee deserves better. Use filtered water to get that rich flavor. Mistake number 2. Not cleaning your coffee maker. I get it, who has the time? But leftover oils and minerals are flavor killers. Give it a good scrub at least once a month. Mistake number 3. Wrong coffee to water ratio. It's not rocket science, but it's close. The golden rule? 2 tablespoons of coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Your taste buds will thank you. Mistake number 4. Old coffee beans. Coffee has a shelf life, people. Aim to consume your beans within 2 weeks of opening the bag. Fresh is best. And mistake number 5. Ignoring grind size. Your coffee maker type matters. For drip machines, use a medium grind. For French press, go coarser. Get it right and you'll taste the difference. So, there you have it. 5 easy fixes to take your coffee game from to. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Happy brewing!